Hello students, welcome back for a new video. In this video, we are going to learn about the further parts of the Excel. But before that, we are just going to revise what we learned in the last video. So in the last video, we learned about the parts of Excel that includes quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, scroll bar, status bar. Then we learned about rows and columns which are there into the Excel program. Then we learned about cell, formula bar, name bar, data types. In data types we learned about there are three types of datas, that are numbers, text and formulas. And then we learned about entering data, which includes nothing but to enter the data or enter your content into the Excel program. Yes students, I hope you all remember this. Now in this video we are going to learn about the further part, that is creating and saving a workbook, selecting cell using go to command. Okay students, so let's start. Now creating a workbook. How can we create a new workbook? By default, a workbook opens only one worksheet and it contains maximum 255 worksheet. That means the one workbook contains maximum 225 worksheet. So now we are going to see how we can create a new workbook, and then we'll see how we can save the workbook. Okay, so now we'll open Excel. Now you'll go towards file. In file, here you have an option called new. You'll click on that and then we'll say a blank workbook. So your new blank workbook is created. Yes, like this you can add total 255 worksheets. So this is here, you all can see sheet 1. Like that we can add 255 sheets. 1, see, now you all can see sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5 and so on. So like that you can add 255 sheets. Now if you want to save this workbook, what will we do? We'll go towards file. Here you have an option called save. I'll click on that. Now the computer will ask where do you want to save the file. Now I'll say save it on desktop. Okay. Now once I say save it on desktop, it will ask me to just write the name of the sheet. Now I'll say I want only book 1. Okay, only book 1 and I'll say save. Or I'll just change the name. As I have already book 1 saved, I'll save A V C. Okay, and then we'll say save. So your sheet is saved. Wait, I'll show you all. So see here our Excel sheet has been saved. Okay, so I hope you all understood this, how to create a new worksheet. You can just go on file and then new, and then a new workbook will be created. And on same we have to go for saving the sheets. Okay, file, save. Here you have to type the name and then you can say save. Now we are going to see selecting the cell. Okay, now what is selecting the cell? Okay, a range is a rectangular block of continuous cell. That means a range, I'll show you all what is a range. You all can see this black color range or a border for one number, that is called as range. Okay, so it is a rectangular block for a continuous cell. A continuous cell means cell that touch each other, especially along the line. Yes, what is a continuous cell? This is a continuous cell which touch one another in a long line. So all these cells are touched to each other. Now we'll see what is selecting a cell. Okay, using a mouse we can select the cell using a mouse, right? So now selecting a cell. Now if I want to select cell particular this cell, so I can just take my mouse cursor over here and then say I can just select whichever cell I want. Okay, so students, I hope you all understood this video very well. In this video we learned about two things, that is saving and creating a new workbook and then selecting a cell. So students, I hope you all understood this video very well. Thank you.